tablespoons of tomato paste. One tablespoon of mixed up herbs. One whole cup of regular water. Now one stock cube, beef of course. Those are the ingredients. Now let's cook. Now, heat up your frying pan and add the meats. Brown up the onions, throw in the garlic. In go tomatoes, water, and tomato paste. Your beef stock, simmer for 20 minutes. The spaghetti goes into boiling water. Once al dente, serve